Maintaining clean and safe floors in areas with heavy soiling and greasing can be challenging. Today, I'll show you how to make your floors spotless and grease-free. Introducing Marbinol Plus, your ultimate solution for tackling tough grease and heavy soiling on shop floors and other industrial areas. Start by preparing the cleaning solution. For normal soiling, dilute 20 ml of Marbinol Plus in 1 liter of water. For heavy soiling, increase the concentration to 50 ml per liter. Here, in this demo we have used 20 ml in 1 liter of water. Once the solution is ready, apply it to the affected area using a suitable cleaning pad or simply pour it. Now, scrub the floor thoroughly using a suitable scrub pad or tea brush. For larger spaces, you can use a single disc machine for better efficiency. Scrubbing helps to break down grease and remove stubborn stains. The product works effectively on tough soiling, leaving your floor clean and fresh. After scrubbing, use a floor squeegee or a mop to remove the loosened dirt and excess solution. This step ensures that all the grime is efficiently cleared away, leaving your floor clean. And that's how easy it is to use Marbinol Plus for a spotless, grease-free floor. Try it today for professional cleaning results. Alpha Products. Prefer the brand that really works.